legends. Lasers aren't just for superhero movies. They actually save lives. Let's talk about the incredible Dr. Patricia Bath. She was a brilliant doctor who noticed something very unfair. She saw that many people were losing their sight from eye conditions that could actually be fixed, but they didn't have the right tools to help them. She decided to change that. She didn't let anyone or anything hold her back. In 1986, after years of hard work, she invented a highly advanced device called the laser phaco probe. This amazing tool uses super precise laser beams to completely restore sight to people suffering from cataracts. Imagine being able to see clearly again because of a laser. Dr. Bath was a true pioneer, becoming the first Black female doctor to ever receive a medical patent. Talk about absolute genius. Her work has helped thousands of people see the beautiful world around them once again. Isn't that incredible? If you loved learning about Dr. Bath, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing discoveries. See you next time in the Lab of Legends.